everyone. My name is Jayne Fairley. I'm the National Sales Manager for Class A's and Super C's with Tiffin Motorhomes. And today I am excited to take you through the 2026 Tiffin Byway motorhome. This coach is actually an awesome motorhome because it is our entry into our diesel lineup for Tiffin Motorhomes. So this is built on the Freightliner XC chassis. It's backed by Freightliner's 450 servicing locations plus. It also is the 6.7 liter Cummins engine, which is 340 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque. This particular coach that we're looking at today is one of 3 floor plans that we offer in the Byway. Those floor plans start out at 35 feet 2 inches and go up to about 39 feet. So we have a 33 FL, we have a 38 CL, which is what I'm going to take you through today, and we have the 38 BL, which actually is a bunkhouse model with 2 full bathrooms inside as well. So lots of great selections on floor plans, but just look at the outside of this beautiful motorhome. The really cool thing about this, the one thing that I always look at is when our customers are camping, a lot of time is spent outside. This patio awning is over 20 feet long. And the great thing is that it's mounted to the outside of this full wall slide that goes down this side of the coach. What that means to you is look at the amount of patio space that you get as you go back through here. You can literally have a game of cornhole going on out here underneath your patio awning. But the really cool thing is the entertainment space, the outside watching TV space. If you open this TV up, one of our new features for 2026 is that we've now added our TVs, we've added a swivel to them. So you can pull this TV out, you can swivel it around, and you have plenty of space out here for watching the game. You can put 20 of your closest friends out here and watch the game on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon. So great stuff. Also, one of the things that Tiffin Motorhomes is known for is our luggage compartment doors. There is nobody who makes a luggage compartment door like Tiffin Motorhomes does. And the great thing about these luggage compartment doors is you can see the cavernous storage that you get down below. These are all lined with gator hide lining for added protection for all of your stuff down underneath there. But you're gonna get some passer storage down underneath. And do this test on any motorhome out there. I like to take the door about right here, which is about 2 inches out, and it just shuts. There's no having to use your knee to shut it. There's no having to slam it shut. These doors are phenomenal. And it's one of the things that our customers love about our coach. This particular coach also features something new that we're offering for 2026 on the exterior of the coach, and that is our black aluminum wheels. So on this motorhome, we have a really nice exterior graphic, but combined with those black exterior wheels with those aluminum matte wheels, it really gives this coach, makes it stand out among the crowd out there. The other thing I'm going to show you more on the inside of the coach, but is also really important, but I want you to see it on the outside as well, is our windows. These are all new windows for 2026. They're flush mount windows. They actually crank out, so you can leave them open in the rain if you want to do that. But the added benefit is going to be on the inside of the coach. When you're in there, you're going to see that the actual shades are mounted into the frame of the window themselves. So they're super functional and really easy to use and make it look really clean on the inside of the coach. And then the last thing that we put on this coach for 2026 on the exterior is an outside LP bib for your LP hookup. So come on inside with me. We'll take a walk inside and explore the inside features of this great coach. So as you come inside, you're gonna see this is, like I said, this is our 38 CL floor plan. And the biggest thing that I think you notice is how much wide open space you have inside of here. You could literally have a dance party going on inside of this coach. But the great thing is how this is set up in the inside is great for 2 people, or if you have occasional guests that come over, you have some extra sleeping here as well. But I think as you come in, the number one place that your eye goes to is right here in this area. And I just love these theater seats that are inside of here. So these are power seats. The footrest goes up. They also recline back, and the back is actually separately changeable. The other nice thing about this is USB outlets everywhere in this coach. So you've got them here. You've got storage inside of here. But you've got places to plug in here. You've got 110 volt outlets, and then something new for 26 that we've also done is we've put in the USB outlets on both sides of the booth dinette as well. I love this booth dinette. This is one of my favorite things in our coach, is because it's easy to get in and out of. It's wide, but I'm 5'2½". So 4 people can sit comfortably at this dinette and not feel squashed. But the thing that I love the most is the ability to use this at the end of the day. If I want to sit and prop my feet up, I can do it. If I want to check my phone, sit here and have my elbows resting, I can do that. And then the other thing is storage. As I sit here and I look around this coach, I counted the doors and drawers and places to put stuff before I came in here. 68 is the number inside this motorhome. 68 doors, drawers, and places to put stuff. Because after all, when you go camping, you don't want to have to leave something at home. You want to bring everything in the kitchen sink with you. So you can do that in the Byway. The other thing I love about our coach is our overhead cabinets that are over this area, above the dinette and above the theater seat area. So one of the tests I always like to do is I open this up and I look at, I do the L test. So if I'm out here, I take my hand like this, and the bottom part where my thumb is the L, and then at the top, most of our competitive brands that are out there, this storage is going to end at the top of my fingers right here. So not only is it taller, you can see how deep it is here. So just a tremendous amount of interior storage that you have in this coach available to you. I wanted to show you the windows because these are really cool. So all of the shades are integrated into these windows for this here. We used to have valances that went around this area that kind of stuck out from the wall. But you can see with the shades that are mounted in here, you don't have to mount them on the outside, so you don't have to go to a real thick valance on the outside. So when these pull down, you can see there's your night shade. So you have complete privacy at night. You don't have anybody that can peek in the sides of here because it's nice and flush. You can pull this up and you can see the bottom part of it is a day shade. So if you just want some shade during the daytime, you can do that. If you wanted to separate these, all you have to do is push them apart just like that. And you can use one or you can use the other if you'd like to do that. But super easy to use and just a real clean look on the inside of the coach. I'm pretty excited that we went to these for 2026. Another thing that I love about this coach, this particular floor plan, is this has what we call the televator in it. So as you're sitting at night after you've been out hiking all day or walking around or golfing all day and you come home at night and you want to relax, you can prop your feet up on the theater seats and you can watch your TV that is located right across from the theater seat. So no having to turn your head. It's straight ahead viewing. And then when you're not using that TV, you can just put it right back down into place and you have plenty of countertop space here. So we're gonna go back to that big awning on the outside. Say it's a football Sunday and you wanna have some people over and you need some extra place to put your food and things like that. You have a lot of countertop space in here. But these drawers all pull out and they're all soft close drawers. And you also have a fireplace in here, which is something more and more customers are asking us for. But take a look at this galley. It's beautiful. It's got a great big window inside of here to let in some natural light. One of the things that we did new for 2026 is we've gone to 2 new interior colors. You've got a brown based one and you've got a gray based color as well. And we have two different wood choices in here. This particular one is the sandstone. You can also get this with the white linen as well. If you spin around and kind of take a look right up here, one of the things I love is our power bed. So you can see that it has a key to it, and all you have to do is push the button. With one touch of the button, the bed can come down, and now you have a place for maybe your grandkid to sleep or a guest to sleep for the night. Because you know the adage in motorhomes is cocktails for 6, dining for 4, sleeping for 2. But the nice thing about this is because it has a key and it has a lock to it, if you aren't using it for sleeping space, the great thing about that is you can store your valuables up there underneath that mattress, and now you lock it and you take the key out and you have a secure place for locking your valuables inside of there. The other cool thing that I love about this coach is this is all in-ceiling ducted roof air conditioning, but also these roof air conditioners have what's called a chill grill on it. So you can come out here on a hot day, you can open those ducts, and you can quick cool the living room of the coach by dropping that air into one space to cool it a lot quicker. Coming back to the back end of the coach, one of the things that I love is this big farmhouse sink, something our customers ask for a lot. You also have a recessed cooktop area. This is the same type of sink cover that we put in our Allegro bus model. So you can see this lifts up. You've got gas for your cooktop here, but these can store away. But when you put them into place, now you just get a whole lot of extra countertop space in this coach. Another thing that we've done new for this year is we've gone to black fixtures inside as well. So that's a nice new feature. One of the things, because I am, again, a little shorter, I love that the refrigerator is down low. So I can get to everything, I can see everything that is in my refrigerator. It's all at my eye level. And then you have a nice pantry located right here. You've got different sizes of drawers. This is a nice deep drawer. This is a great place to put your pots and pans because typically you don't have spaces to do that. And again, those are all soft closed drawers. This particular coach is actually a bath and a half floor plan. So this is your half bath. You get a lot of storage, little thing, but I love having a big full-size mirror. So now I can stand inside of there and I can see how my outfit all coordinates together. And then coming back to the back bedroom area, just nice and open and cozy. King size bed in the back. We've got not only 110 volt outlets in both sides of the bed stands, but we also have USB outlets as well. We have a nice big window that's located right back behind the bed. We've got side opening windows on both sides of the slide, on both sides of the bed. By the way, those were up front as well, so you can open those up. So say you're in the mountains and you want to open those windows up, maybe you don't need to have the air conditioning on for the day, you can open those windows up and you get some nice cross ventilation all the way across. And then back here as you come into the back bathroom area, probably my biggest selling feature that I love the best, it's the one thing that I look at anytime I go into any motorhome, is the one-piece molded fiberglass shower. If I walk into a coach and I see a motorhome that has a fiberglass pan at the bottom and a fiberglass surround, there's always a gap in between there. And when you have that gap, that's where the gunk grows. So the nice thing about this is that it's all one-piece molded fiberglass. It's easy to take care of. It's stronger because it's all one piece. And you can see it goes all the way up to the very top of the roof line. And it has a Corian insert that you can put your soap inside of there. But it's a nice big area for your shower. And this particular coach also has a dual vanity in it. So you have his and her sink back here. And the nice thing too is lots of storage. You've got medicine cabinets here as well for extra storage, outlets in the center for easy access, and wow, what a tremendous value this coach is. So come out, take a look at a Byway and see for yourself what makes a Byway special and what makes Tiffin Motorhomes special as well. Thank you very much.